In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get points in Qatar Airways. We'll walk through the process clearly and simply so you can secure the Q points you need without any confusion. First, open your web browser and go to QatarAirways.com. This is the official website, and starting here ensures you're in the right place to access your account and the Privilege Club options. Once the homepage loads, navigate to the Privilege Club section. You'll typically find it in the main menu. Privilege Club is Qatar Airways' loyalty program, and it's where you manage your status, see your balances, and handle any purchases related to your membership. Inside Privilege Club, look for the Buy Q Points option. This is the dedicated area that lets members purchase Q Points directly. Remember, Q Points are the tier qualification currency used to reach or keep elite status levels. They're different from Avios, which are used for flight redemptions and upgrades. If your goal is status, like moving towards silver, gold, or platinum, Q points are what you're after. On the purchase page, select the number of Q points you want. A helpful approach is to check how many Q points you still need for your target tier, then choose an amount that closes that gap without overspending. Keep an eye on any minimums, maximums, or account-specific limits that may apply, as these can vary. Pricing is usually per point, and you may occasionally see promotions, so reviewing the totals carefully is a good idea. Next, choose your currency based on your country of residence. The site may auto-detect a currency, but make sure it matches your registered country to avoid issues with payment processing or conversion fees. Selecting the correct currency also helps you see the most accurate final cost. When you're satisfied with your selection and the currency is correct, click Continue. This will take you to a summary or checkout view. Take a moment here to confirm the number of Q points, the price, any applicable taxes or fees, and the currency. If something doesn't look right, you can go back and adjust before proceeding. Finally, click Buy Now to complete the purchase. You may be prompted to add or confirm your payment details. After submission, Q points generally post to your account shortly, though in some cases it can take a little longer. Keep your confirmation for reference, and once the points appear, verify that your tier progress reflects the new balance, and that's it. By starting at QatarAirways.com, heading into Privilege Club, choosing Buy Q Points, selecting the right amount in currency, clicking Continue, and then Buy Now, you'll efficiently secure the Q Points you need to work toward your desired status.